Why do you have so many icon options for your card triggers? Isn't one just going to do the job? This week in Illuminating Supered, we are going to highlight the icon feature inside of Supered. Now, this is a very small but very powerful tool to help supercharge your learning and development. That's right, giving a definition to each of your icons for your card triggers is going to teach your employees that the moment they see that piece, that little icon by whatever word phrase, they know exactly what type of content they're going to be served. Here are some examples of icon definitions that you can use and you can start incorporating into your L&D. Starting off strong with the bolt. Now the bolt is actually our symbol here at Super, but feel free to repurpose it for your internal needs. One good use case of this is actually using it to indicate that that property is part of an automation. You can also use it to say that that property is a KPI or goal that leadership is currently judging you on as a rep. We next up have the plus sign. Now the plus sign can simply deliver a definition for a property. It can also be used to say that there is a checklist or more steps needed for this property once it's filled out, or pipeline, or dashboard, or whatever. And this one is my favorite. We do have the fire sign, and this can be used to actually demonstrate a hot tip. So either best practices around a certain field, deal states, etc. You can also use it to highlight your spicy customers. So you can put more information about the history of the customer, who the POC in the company is, and basically avoid. And then on the flip side, we've got the star. The star you can actually use for your strategic accounts and contacts. So anything that's a partnership or an enterprise, whoever the star of your clientele is, and these are critical to your business success, whether they are referrals or evangelists. Next up, we have info. Now that one, pretty simply, can be more information, including more detailed description and that definition. You can also say that there's an iframe present, which means that there's additional information from an outside source, say Scribe or Lucidchart or a mirror board. Last but certainly not least is your chevron right. Now this can also be used to show that there's a automation in place that will happen when you move forward in a deal stage or a pipeline stage. It also can indicate that whatever is in the card will potentially take you off of HubSpot, either with an external link or an iframe. Hopefully this gives you a little taste of what you can do with icons, but trust me, they are so powerful and they're about to supercharge your L&D. As always, stay awesome, stay supered.